Hi guys, this is Adebanji Alade, the Addictive Sketcher. Show them. My next workshop is going to be a brilliant one. This one has to do with painting the portrait. This year I've been really honing on my portrait skills. I've been working on what I call my deliberate portrait practice, DPP, deliberate portrait practice, where I plan to paint 250 portraits, small little portraits. I'll show you an example. This is an example of one of them, right? Yeah, this is just an example, and it's basically it's a very good exercise to just really master everything that has to do with painting the portrait. What to look out for: the color, the texture, the values, the drawing, the edges, everything that's going to make the portrait really work. Now, this is going to take place on Saturday the 17th of November at the Chelsea Academy. It's opposite my studio. It's going to be from 9:30 to 5:30. You don't want to miss it. We're going to have models. We'll work from the models. Again, I'm only taking 6. So look, if you really want to register your spot, this is the moment. Click on the link below. Let's do this thing. I like to share what I know works, because I've learned a lot this year, and I really want you guys to have a feel of what this experience has been for me. So if you really want to take your portraits to the next level, or maybe you're kind of struggling and you just want to know, what does Adebanji think? How does he go about it? What does he have to say? How does he, you know, whatever, just click on the link. We'll have a good day. It's going to be a great day. So again, painting the portrait, Saturday 17th of November, Chelsea Academy. Don't miss it. It's going to be great. Thank you guys.